I am Dr. Sankaranarayanan, SNS College of Engineering, Department of Chemistry. Here I am going to discuss about electrochemistry. So what are the uses of electrochemical cells? We have lot of issues are there to generate the power or continue we should get the continuous power from the batteries. So what are the benefits of electrochemical cells? So these cells are used especially for power productions, electrical appliances such as TV, remotes, and whatever computer, general major things will be there. So those electrical appliances we need power. So we can use electrochemical cells for that purpose. So here electrochemical cell we use electroplate metals, recharge batteries, and separate compounds like water. Okay, so in this case we will use electrolyte and metals and separate components, other rechargeable batteries. So these are the things are involved in this case. So here the electrochemical cells are used making high purity zinc and aluminum, copper involved in the electrolytic cells. So electrochemical cells, because there will be a specific potential for these metals, so we can make it as a high pure zinc and aluminum. We can remove other metals, other impurities. If whatever the other metals mean, those are impurities. Okay, so that's the electrochemical cell in the winding of non-ferrous metals, and this main use of electrochemistry is extracting metallic sodium from the molten sodium chloride by placing the latter in an electrolytic cell with an electric current. So what are the types of electrochemical cells are there? So we know the application. So here we separate into two types, okay, galvanic cell or voltaic cells and electrolytic cells. These are the two parts. Here we can separate it with the electrochemical cells. So in this case, galvanic cells. Okay, what is galvanic cell? What is the application and how it's applicable? These are the things we can go through here. By using reaction, galvanic cells can produce electricity. Maximum all the electrochemical cells used for power productions. Redox reaction in galvanic cell is spontaneous in nature. So in this case, the galvanic cell, the spontaneous means without external force the reaction will proceed. That is called spontaneous. If it is non-spontaneous, means there will be a need of activating energy. So in this case, what will happen if the proper setup is there? Oxidation will take place in the proper metals and reduction will take place in the suitable metals. So no need to give any extra energy. So oxidation that takes place inside galvanic cell is called oxidation of cell and also known as a zinc electrode. For example, zinc, there will be oxidation will happen. So in this case, zinc will donate the electron to the reducing metals. So in this case, this oxidation takes place, that cell is called off cells. Okay, that is one part reaction is happening in the zinc. So what is happening? Zinc donate the electron, so it will get oxidized. So this is known as off cell, oxidation off cell. And another one is another off cell. What will happen? This one cell is getting oxidized, means another part should be in the reduction part. So that will get reduction. So that cell, that place is also known as reduction off cell. That is, for example, copper electrode. That previous one I said, the zinc and copper. Zinc will reduce and copper will get, zinc will oxidize, copper will get reduced. So oxidation takes place in the negatively charged anode and the reduction takes place in the positively charged cathodes. So Anode, what's happening? Then the zinc anode, you just see the picture here, galvanic cell. Zinc will donate the electrons, so that will get oxidized, so it will become zinc 2 plus in aqueous solution. Then another one is copper cathode. The copper cathode, what happening? That absorb the electrons, so it will get reduced. So this is the example for galvanic cells. So the transportation of electrons is giving the power. So this reaction, oxidation reaction, can be represented like this. And the following reaction explains that copper 2 plus 2 electron absorbed, it will get reduced copper as a salt. Another one is oxidation of reaction. The zinc salt give the electrons, and that will get the zinc 2 plus and removal of 2 electrons. This is the another half reaction. So the commonly used as a source of electrical power in the battery, they can also based on electroplating, where one metal is coated another metal using electric current. Galvanic cell are used in certain types of medical devices, such as heart pacemaker, because it's a small, we can make it as a small. Thank you.